Hello friends, today I would like to share one scenario while migrating from Azure SQL Database to managed instance. So here not like issues, particularly the developers who are working on their like platforms, they don't know what are the limitations, that what kind of backups. Of course, it's their not domain. Okay, I mean not their pitch. So they will come and they will create the tables and they will do and all, and they will give to us. Okay, I mean therefore we have to maintain as a DBAs. Now, while they will do the test and it is working fine, but they don't know like on which platform that we are working. What are those limitations of that product? They don't know. Like if you see here, I'm creating one table in test database of Azure SQL database. Now I'm inserting few values. Okay, and now I'm creating one stored procedure. Okay, I'm creating a stored procedure with three part name like test, database name, schema name, and table name. Okay, so it is done. Now I'm trying to insert the data here. It is working fine. Okay, now we assume that everything is good, everything is fine. Now the problem starts when we want to export the this database as a backpack file. Now if I right click on that, go to task, go to export data type application. Now click on this one. Now save, like say done, save, proceed next, next finish. Now if you see here, you will get an error saying that, see, we got an error. So if you click on this one, see, this is error value validating element DBO underscore user store procedure updated user data has unresolved reference to object called text.dbo and this user data. External references are not supported when creating a package from this platform. And see, these are unrolled references. We are getting this error, and external reference are supporting this error. The main reason for this is while exporting the in for Azure SQL database, three part name is not supported. So because of that reason, we are getting this error. So now what I will do, I'm closing this window. Now I'm just reviewing the this database name, and I am clicking. I'm just altering that one again. That is done. Now I'm updating this value something okay. So this is also working. And if I want to see the data and select star from this one, now execute. See, we are able to view the data. Okay, means there it's supporting two part name as well. I mean, it is the store procedure. Now we are good to export. Extract application done. Click browse. Give any name. Proceed to next. Next finish. Now we are able to extract back. I mean, we can successfully take the backpack. See, everything was success. So this is what we like here. We need to make them like understand to develop. I mean, explain to the developers that this is the issue if we use three part name. So once in real time, what happened we used to do. So now if the developer is okay and we inform them, then they want we can go is like we can ask him to make that two part name. So if not, if if they are not willing to do so, then what we will do, we will clone the database and we will remove all the stored procedures and what are the errors that we are doing, and we will take the backpack data is main important for that. So back data will that, after that we will manually script from the main database, and we will once the database has been created, we will manually execute those on the destination on the target side. So here what happened, not double work for us and cost also involved to some extent. Okay, and That's the reason it's always good practice to sync with the developers, and developer has to sync with the developer, DBAs developer has to sync with the vice versa. So I'm going to give the script to practice the same from your end. I'm going to pin that as well. So I hope you may like this video. Thank you. Bye.